This is the elevator at the Urney train station. These are Kone Eco Discs. Up to 1.
Doors closing.
Capacity is 630 kilos. Stop pointing the camera, please. 8 purses built to 2009. 13 years ago, fixtures Kone Eco Disc logo. Here we are at 1. Let's go down to lift 2. So warm in here tonight. This is lift 2, let's try it. I think it's on 1, I think. Mr. Security Camera. -1. Call locked. Stop farting in the elevator. They have the 6 capacity, just like the other one. Fixtures, Kone Eco Disc logo. Here we are at 0. Let's go back up to 1. Do my cab here. Look about you see hey now, it's got the light fixtures up at the ceiling, it's got the indicator. Stinks in here. Here we are at 1 again. Now I can go down to lift 1 to my cab here. Yes. This is lift 1, that's right out. Mr. Security Camera. Looking at you see here now. Back down to 0. It's got the flow indicator. Light fixtures up at the ceiling. Let's just stop shaking the elevator. Here we are back down at 0. Now we connect to the elevator. The bomb power over there goes up to the first floor. There it goes, and that's it.